Feeling lost in the chaos of daily life? Just 5 minutes of unplugging can help you recharge your mind and find emotional clarity. Let's explore how a quick digital detox can truly make a difference. In our fast-paced world, we're constantly bombarded with information and notifications, leading to stress and emotional overload. By stepping away from our screens for just a few minutes, we give ourselves a chance to breathe, relax, and reconnect with our thoughts and feelings. This isn't merely a break, it's a vital step toward enhancing our emotional intelligence and overall well-being. 1. Taking a break from screens reduces mental clutter, allowing your mind to relax and focus on the present moment. 2. Research shows that short breaks can lower stress levels. Just 5 minutes of downtime allows your body to unwind, making it easier to handle whatever comes next. 3. A digital detox fosters mindfulness. Being present, whether it's tuning into the sounds around you or noticing how your body feels, enhances your emotional awareness and helps you feel more grounded. 4. Stepping away from technology often sparks creativity. When your mind isn't focused on a screen, it has the freedom to wander and explore new ideas. 5. Disconnecting improves your relationships. When you're more in tune with your emotions, you can connect with others on a deeper level, fostering better communication and understanding. 1. Stand up and stretch for a minute, paying attention to how your body feels. This helps release tension and brings your awareness back to the present. 2. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale through your mouth. Feel the calm wash over you with each breath. 3. If possible, step outside. Whether it's your backyard, a park, or just a window, take a moment to observe nature. Notice the colors, sounds, and smells around you. 4. Choose one thing to focus on, perhaps a cup of tea or a favorite book. Engage all your senses. What does it taste like? How does it feel in your hands? 5. Use your phone's timer to remind you to take these short breaks throughout your day. Just 5 minutes can be a game changer. Don't rush back to your devices right after your detox. Take a few moments to enjoy the calm. If you feel anxious or restless during your break, that's perfectly normal. Acknowledge those feelings, it's all part of the process. Try not to dwell on what you might be missing online. This moment is for you, so focus on enjoying it fully. So, the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, remember, just 5 minutes can help you recharge and regain your emotional clarity. Try these tips today and see how they work for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips on boosting your well-being. Hey there! Feeling overwhelmed by constant notifications and screen time? Good news! You don't need hours to recharge your mind. Just 5 minutes can make a significant difference. In our fast-paced lives, we often forget to take a moment for ourselves. Unplugging, even briefly, helps clear your mind, reduce stress, and boost your emotional intelligence. When we step away from our screens, we reconnect with our thoughts and feelings, making us more present in our daily lives. 1. A quick break allows your mind to process emotions without distractions, helping you understand how you're really feeling and why. 2. Just a few minutes away from screens can lower stress levels, giving your brain a chance to relax and reset, making challenges easier to tackle. 3. Being unplugged encourages you to notice your surroundings. Whether it's the sound of birds or the feel of a gentle breeze, these moments ground you in the present. 4. Short breaks can enhance your focus when you return to tasks, allowing you to approach problems with a fresh perspective. 5. With a decluttered mind, you have the space to think creatively, leading to better ideas and solutions throughout your day. Stand up and stretch for a minute. Reach for the sky, bend down to touch your toes, and shake off any tension. Spend 2 minutes focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold for 4, then exhale for 4. Repeat this a few times. If possible, step outside for a minute,